Very good morning, students. Myself, L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School, will teach you Chapter 11 Geography, that is Life in the Deserts. What type of life the people of desert region experience? How do they survive in the deserts? What type of activities they perform, their food, their habitation, their lifestyle, all such types of things are mentioned there in this video, through which we shall discuss much more detail. Let's get started. A desert is defined as an area that receives low rainfall, that is less than 25 centimeter annually. Very less rainfall is there in deserts and has scanty vegetation. Based on temperature, deserts are categorized into three types. There is scanty vegetation, no vegetation is found there. That is based on temperature. Deserts have been categorized into three types. What are they? Hot or tropical deserts are found in and around tropical regions. The Thar Desert and the Sahara Desert are two of these deserts. हॉट या ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट्स ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स में पाए जाते हैं. थार डेजर्ट और सहारा डेजर्ट आर द टू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ these deserts. Cold or temperate deserts are found in the temperate regions or at high altitudes in tropical areas. The cold desert is found in such a region, that is temperate region, or you can say the area which is located at high altitudes, that is tropical areas. For example, Ladakh in India is an extreme example of this type of desert. Ladakh is there in Jammu and Kashmir, that is located in tropical area, extreme cold that is. Polar deserts are coldest of all deserts. These are found in the frigid zone or in the area around the poles, including the tundra regions, Alaska, etc. Polar deserts are found in such areas where the area is very cold, that is coldest of all deserts. These are found in the frigid zone or in the area around the poles, including the tundra regions, Alaska, etc. These are the polar regions where the polar deserts are the coldest of all deserts. That is known the frigid zone of the earth. Now the Sahara Desert. We shall study about this desert, what type of this desert is. The physical base. Sahara is the world's largest tropical desert. It is bounded by the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlas Mountains in the north, the Nile Valley and the Red Sea in the east, the Niger Valley in the south, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Large parts of countries such as Algeria, Mali, Libya, Chad, Egypt, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia are covered by the Sahara. The desert itself is a waterless stage covered with sand dunes and rocky patches, sprinkled amid the sand and rock are oases where groundwater comes to the surface. The largest freshwater lake situated in the desert is Lake Chad. The rivers Nile and Niger flow along the fringes of the desert. These two rivers flow from the fringes of this desert, means side by this desert these rivers flow. Climate, what type of climate is there in Sahara desert? The clear cloudless skies of the desert create a climate with extreme temperatures, wherein summer temperatures soar to almost 55 degrees Celsius, while winter temperature drop to 15 degrees Celsius and even to freezing point. Days are scorching hot while nights are freezing cold. Hot and dry winds blow across the desert region. Rain-bearing winds from the Atlantic Ocean lose most of their moisture by the time they reach this area. So, annual rainfall less than 25 centimeter per year is both unreliable and irregular. There is a rise in temperature and decrease in humidity as one move eastward. The Libyan region is the most arid, and Al-Jizya recorded a temperature of 57.8 degrees Celsius in 1922, which is the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Extreme heat and cold in the desert are accompanied by the fury of the hot, dry, and dusty winds, such as the Khamsin, Sirocco, Harmattan, and the Shimun, as well as the sandstorms. Natural vegetation, the extreme temperatures and scarcity of water are not conducive for the growth of vegetation. The desert is home to xerophytic vegetation such as small, spiny, cacti, bushes, and tufts of coarse grass that have adapted well to the lack of water by growing long roots, waxy leaves, fleshy stems, and spines. Date palms grow around the oasis. They provide dates for food. The sap is used to make wine and the leaves are used for fodder and to make thatch roofs. Cactus, acacia, and baobab are the main plant species. Life of people, wildlife first, let us see. The animal species adapt superbly to the extreme climatic conditions. For instance, small desert animals escape the fire heat by hiding during the day under stones or burrowing into the soil. They are usually swift runners and come out to feed at night. The camel, known as the sheep of the desert, is perhaps the best example of an animal suited to the environment. Besides the ibex, a desert antelope, the other animals found here are the jackal, hyena, snakes, and lizards. Life of people. Due to the extreme climate of the desert, it is difficult to lead a settled life. Many nomadic tribes traverse the Sahara. However, the most important are the Arab Bedouins in the north, the Berbers near the Atlas Mountains, and the Tuaregs who roam the southern half. So, in this way, we have studied about the Sahara Desert, race from the Bedouins and Tuaregs. We shall study in the next video next time. Till then, thank you, goodbye.